Hi cookie friends, welcome back to Lights, Camera, Cookies.
Yes!
Thank you so much for being here with us today. My name is Larissa and this is my friend.
Hey!
And did you notice something new? Did you notice something
I got a new shirt!
new? Did you notice anything else new, cookie friends?
It's new!
We got a new logo!
Oh!
Logo, hey?
Yes!
This is the cutest logo. And I mean, do you see the resemblance? How cute is this? So big shout out and thank you to Arts for Pets at Etsy.
Yes!
If you are in need of a logo, definitely go on over and check them out. And I will link them in the description below. So thank you so much and I hope you enjoy this new logo. And if you are new to this channel, we love to make cookie decorating videos. And
Yes!
then we love to talk about the topic of the cookie that we've decorated.
Oh, we got a good one! We got a
Yes,
good one! We got a good
many
one!
of our cookies that we decorate are Disney themed, and this one is just like that. It is a Disney themed cookie. It is a Disney Pixar themed cookie. It is
What?
a Disney Pixar themed cookie after a brand new movie that was just released. That movie is...
Turning Red!
Yes, it's
Yes!
Turning Red. Have you guys seen it? Have you seen
Oh,
the movie?
it's so awesome!
And did you love it? Please let me know in the comments below. We are
Show
doing-
'em, show 'em, show 'em, show 'em, show 'em!
This
Wait!
Yeah,
This is gonna be big!
this is gonna be big.
Everybody step back!
Here we go. You're not ready. Are you ready? You're not ready?
You need your hands!
Ready? It's a big...
What? What?
You guys, look at that!
It's a red panda!
Look at it! Yeah!
That is awesome!
At this giant
Huge!
cookie. There's a lot of texture. There is a lot that went into this cookie.
That looks just like me!
There is our cookie. We're gonna get right to decorating it. And when
That
you
is
come on
so
back,
cool.
we're gonna talk about all things Turning Red, but more specifically 90s, because it was totally set in the 90s and we're totally 90s.
Yes!
So enjoy
many references.
watching how this cookie was made, and we will be right back with
Oh,
you,
yeah,
cookie
great!
friends.
Oh, look at the ID!
All right, so that was pretty cool, right? Like there's a lot of texture in this cookie. And just again, for size reference.
Wait, double hand. Hold it.
It's pretty much, yeah, look at that. That is a big cookie. Guys, this is really awesome. So this cookie, you know, like I only have one chance to do this, right? So I only made one giant rectangle cookie and I started, and you know, I gotta be honest, in the beginning when I was decorating it, I'm like, am I doing this right? Am I doing the right thing? I knew I wanted to make a lot of texture.
I love that face.
And you know, I totally could have made it so there wasn't texture. I could have just, you know, like drew the red panda and then just colored it in like all the rest of my cookies with the icing glaze. But I'm like, let me really try to do the texture
as well.
Thank you. And one of the reasons why I wanted to do the texture so much is because in this Pixar movie, I can't even, like, help me out here. The detail, the fur, like the way it moved, like the people's hair, the cooking, like when they were doing the
food. The food was so realistic.
So I wanted to do my best to like just honor Pixar's incredible talent by trying to make some texture on this cookie instead of like a flat cookie.
This one was like a new level.
Yes.
Wait.
Yes.
Show them the other one.
Oh, well, this is going to be like quick sneak peek. We're going to have a compilation video of some of these, but you guys...
Oh my gosh!
If you know, you know. This was probably the funniest thing I've ever seen in the movie.
Why was he a mermaid?
I thought it was so funny. But
and
you know,
poor kid.
The movie spoke so much to like a kid, like growing up, and in the 90s, I related very much to it. So many fun 90s references. Yeah.
You drew pictures of your crush in a notebook?
And I didn't.
Who'd you draw?
I don't think I ever drew a picture.
Who'd you draw?
I don't know.
Were they like a unicorn or something?
No, it's so weird.
Oh, that's John. Dreamy.
No,
Unicorn John.
I can say... Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
What about the band? Four Town.
Four Town. That was so much fun because Four Town was pretty much my NSYNC or Backstreet Boys.
Yes.
And I don't know which one I liked better. No, that's not true. I think I liked NSYNC better.
Well, Bye 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 was in the trailer.
I know it was.
It was in the trailer. It was perfect. It was like, oh!
I'm like, it was so good to be like my age, being a 90s kid, watching that, the Tamagotchis, all that fun stuff.
Oh,
so
Tamagotchis are cool.
So I'm on magicquiz.com.
Oh, here we go.
And I thought it'd be fun to take a 90s quiz. Question number 1. Your NES cartridge isn't working. What do? You blow on it.
Man, I can demonstrate.
And somehow it worked.
Every time.
Every single time. Do you know what we're talking about? Let us know. You have a crush on someone. What's the most 90s way to tell them? I was going to say write a note.
Note.
But let's see. Okay, the options are tell your friend to tell them, text them, write a note that says, do you like me? Circle yes or no, walk up and pass it up. Write them a note and say, do you like me? Yes or no. What is this little creature called?
Tamagotchi.
A Tamagotchi. Next, finish this phrase. Be kind.
Rewind.
Rewind. See, we know these. Next one. What does
kids today don't know VHS?
What does AIM stand for? AOL Instant Messenger.
What that sound it used to make?
Oh wait. Oh, Instant Messenger. What was the sound? I don't remember the sound.
I gotta look it up. I remember the dial-up.
Yeah.
For 40 hours.
How do you predict every detail of your future?
Oh, that little thing on your hand.
It's called MASH, right? The little thing. Isn't that
the little thing?
The little.
Give me a color.
I think that's called MASH, right?
BLEU. Good. Give me a number.
You can't use the internet. What is most likely the reason? Because someone's on the phone.
Yes. Mom, get on the phone. I've got mail.
Which greatest movie of all time featured Littlefoot, Petrie, Sarah, and Ducky?
Land Before Time.
Land Before Time.
That was a great movie. Very sad.
Oh, here's a picture. Which of these is a koosh? Do you guys remember koosh balls?
Yeah, those are the balls that you...
I don't know if you can see, but the little koosh balls. Oh, I love them so much. What's going on?
He did it again.
What happened?
face. Sorry, folks.
There is
Guy's a
only
jerk.
there is only one true trapper keeper for a 90s girl. Which one is it? Lisa Frank. Am I right? Yes. Lisa Frank's here. Remember
weird.
Lisa Frank, like all the pretty colors, and those would be cool cookies.
Lisa Frank.
What popular game included pieces called slammers?
Pogs.
Pogs. Do you guys know Pogs? Ooh, that would be a cool cookie to make too, some Pog cookies.
They'd all be around. That was it?
That was it. Well, we knew all the answers.
Are we 90s enough?
I mean, we got all the answers right.
Tell them all the merch we saw.
Oh, yeah, so Hank
Turning red merch.
and I went to the mall, and in the box lunch store, which
Oh,
is like,
I love box lunch.
it's just, box lunch embodies everything that we love. Like,
Yes.
everything. First, they had a Turning Red Funko Pop.
Oh, Funkos.
So
Wait, let me see.
cute. Look at how cute. So cute. And then we've got this cute little ceramic tumbler.
Ooh.
Very,
What's
very
it say?
cute. The ceramic tumbler says Pandade. And then we've got this super cute shirt, which
Band-Aid? What? That one is a little
I was thinking more of like Panda Lemonade. You know what? I don't know. Is that not sure now. Really cool shirt. Look at how cute this one is. Super cute hat. I mean, if you like orange and red, then this would be some great stuff for you.
Oh, that's the one! We gotta go to their concert.
This is the one. The Four Town Forever sweatshirt. I kind
That
of want it.
is awesome!
It's so much fun. So that might be the best one. So, if you like the movie, let us know. If you just love this amazing cookie,
That is so awesome!
it's really cool. I like the detail, all of this. Check out our compilation video and see how this guy was made. This is so funny. Really last thing about the 90s. Favorite 90s Nicktoon. I would love to make some Nicktoon
Rocco's
cookies.
Modern Life.
Rocco's Modern Life.
Ren and Stimpy.
Rugrats.
Those guys were always fun.
Oh no, Real Monsters. Oh, Real Monster cookies.
Oh, Real Monsters be awesome.
Guys, let me know if you want us to make
Dude,
some...
Throwback Thursdays.
Yes. Let us know if you want us to make some Nicktoon cookies because I'm really feeling it right now. I'm really feeling some Nicktoon cookies.
Yes.
But like 90s Nicktoons. And SpongeBob, because SpongeBob's awesome. If you like this episode and would like to see more and have fun conversations with us and learn how to make super awesome cookies, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the
Ding!
for notifications. And
I was
we
ready.
will see you next time, cookie friends!
Next time! Yeah!
Four Town Forever!
Call my agent! You're talking about Cookie Monster? His nose is big enough that's in the shot? Alright, let's just cut it.
You're rude.
His big nose is rude. Keep it on the shot!
Technical difficulties over here.
Yeah, technically your nose is not part of this cast.
What would your inner, like, I'm growing up animal be?
I'd be one of those little screaming koalas. Jerk. Cut!
Hi, cookie friends!
Check my pulse.
I don't feel anything.
Ah!
But is that normal?
Yeah, that's okay.